Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday. No, today it is Wednesday. Gosh, today is Wednesday. I am on errands right now. I've been up since like 9 o'clock. Right now it's 1 o'clock p.m. 1:26 p.m. in the afternoon. I basically had to go to school and take care of some business as far as picking up some transcripts and stuff like that. And right now I am on the way to go get some gas really quickly, and then we're gonna go to the Container Store and find some storage for my makeup stuff. When I move, I need to have somewhere to put my stuff, and it has to be in a neat order so I can go in and grab from whatever I need that day. So that's what we doing today. Also, I am going to pack up my college apartment, and I'm going to be out of Denton. I'm moving, done with college, and it's just so rewarding. So I'm excited about like where my life is about to go. I don't know what my destiny is. I don't know what I'm put here to do. I've been praying and asking God to lead me in a direction where He wants me to be. So I still have a job and everything is still in place for, you know, me as far as making money and stuff like that. But I just don't know what my purpose is in life. So I just decided that I'm just gonna go ahead and take you guys with me for this last college vlog that I'm gonna have on this channel, because we're not doing the college vlogs no more unless I do plan on either going to nursing school or getting my master's degree. I can't commit to stop working to, you know, just because I have bills and stuff like that. If you guys didn't know, if this is your first time, you know, watching my videos or coming to my channel, I am not the typical college student that actually just go to college and have their parents pay for everything. I actually work for everything that I intended on having in college, and you know, like my car and the place that I stand at, my college apartment, pay for everything. So yeah, I just can't I can't afford to stop working. So it would be better for me to get into a master's program. Let me just get this gas and I'll come back. Okay, we are done getting gas, guys. We're going to the Container Store first. We are here. I just need something for room storage and makeup storage. So let's see if we can find that. These are perfect. I found some already walking in. These small ones. And then they have the big ones, and these are on sale. So this is 15 and this is 7. So I might end up going with these. But let's look and see what else they have around here.
Well, I think this one got.
And these are 20% off. So these are regular $6. These right here. I like the clear acrylic boxes. Excuse me. Like these will be nice, guys. Infinity. organizer. And this one is 20. And I want to make sure that I have enough room for everything. Like, these are regular $19.99. And they're stackable too, so 6, 7 drawers. These drawers are fairly small, so I don't think I'm gonna go with this. Look, the drawers are not even deep enough, so I think I'm gonna go with 2 of those container boxes at the front that I seen. Let me get 3 of these right here. Pick up 3. Woo. Finally made it back to my apartment. About to start cleaning. That's why I was doing all of this, but this is what the clutter is looking like right now. Y'all know in my last vlog, my last college vlog, I had Marilyn up here. I'm gonna keep Marilyn. She going with me. I'm not giving her away. These things is also coming with me. And this picture, it says she designed a life she loved. I'm also gonna bring this with me because I really want a beauty room, guys, one day. I just don't know when. And ow, that hurt it. This thing right here, this cubby, this is also going with me. I'm gonna actually put this in our apartment that we have now. I already know where it's gonna go. Here, this right here, my Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated certificate from my chapter, Kappa Nu TW. This is gonna go with me also, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it. So these lights, these lantern lights, I got these from Target. I'm also gonna keep these, this mirror right here. I just don't know, y'all. I really don't know where things is gonna go. I really do not know. I just don't want to look at the bathroom because I have so much stuff in here. I have hair products, sprays, oils for my hair, cocktails, like a whole bunch of hair stuff here. My shower curtain, I don't know where this is gonna go. My shower curtain, like, it's really pretty, has the little diamonds on it. My carpet, with this, Eric actually has a wall of inspiration at his house, and I know he will like this on his wall of inspiration, so we're gonna give him that. And that's pretty much all. I'm gonna keep this I Can Do Things Through Christ That Strengthens Me. I am going to keep that stuff. So yes, let's pack up this room, and yeah, I'm gonna be here for a while packing up this room, making sure that everything gets done. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna put this light and this tripod over here. I'm practically done packing. Well, not done, but you know, halfway. I got 2 drawers of clothes out of here today, so I just need to put some more of those clothes in the bin, pack up my bedding. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do today. I'll come back tomorrow and do the rest. Guys, I know I look a mess right now. Let's just disregard this right quick. But today is July 3rd. I know the last time I seen you guys was probably last week. Yeah, because I was packing up my apartment. Still haven't finished that. Brought some things over yesterday to the new apartment, and you know, we trying to get things situated as far as getting everything out. Right now, me and my boo-boo, we're gonna go watch the fireworks show somewhere in Dallas, and I think it's a park or whatnot, and they have different things that's gonna be out there. So we're gonna do that. I'm about to get dressed, put on some makeup. It's really hot in Texas, y'all, so I'm not gonna put on too much makeup. I'm just gonna do my brows, foundation, eyeliner, mascara, and some lip gloss. I ain't baking. Nope. So I just decided that we're gonna take you guys with us today. We're so excited. Well, I'm so excited. He tends to get excited about nothing, so let me get dressed.
Hungry. Always.
It should be fun. It's my first time here. I hope they have like food trucks or something out here. I just want to snow.
In 800 feet, turn right onto Addison Circle.
Okay.
Cold drinks $1. You know they gonna be charging the park.
What's your favorite radio station?
We'll have music and everything out here. Oh my god.
Take the next right onto Addison
We
Circle.
have beer, babe. See, we should have brought a blanket.
I didn't know, baby. It's my first time coming too.
Baby, you excited?
Oh my god, girl. I'm so excited. I'm so happy.
So y'all, we trying to get some chairs, and we basically standing in line for chairs. And basically, what had happened was, oh, they got a selfie light over there. Ain't that cute? But me and Eric trying to buy 2 chairs so we can sit down and just relax. This man, okay, we in line and everything waiting for the chairs, and this man basically came up. We next in line. The man came up, and the man who was serving people basically said, oh, how many chairs you need? And the man was like, I guess he needed 2. What I seen was that he needed 2. So I'm like, okay, me and Eric gonna have a chair, we're gonna be good.
I just got 2 points.
This man bought all the fucking chairs.
All of the chairs.
That must have ran me so freaking hot, because like I hate when people who is inconsiderate of others. I don't give a damn how much money you got. It's just very horrible, and it's really hot outside.
Horrible. Horrible.
But
Not too black be out here. It's too hot.
you got blacker look like.
Don't come to me. Nah, stay away from me.
He looked like he got blacker. So right now, we're basically standing in the shade so we can get some fresh air. Excuse me. Before we start walking it back and around. The fireworks show start at 9:30. So what time is it?
It probably ain't even 8 o'clock.
Let me check my Percy purse.
7:34.
7:35.
4.
5.
4.
So we're gonna wait until the fireworks show start. They had an air show earlier. I didn't get that on camera because I was too hot about these chairs. So if you haven't been to Kaboom Town in Addison, it's basically like a park that they do something every Friday, right? There's another plane. They do something every Friday in the summer around June, July, and August. And July, what happened to be one of the events that they have 4th of July in the park, but they do it on the 3rd, and they have like a lot of food places, like a lot of food tents, as in beer. They sell beer. They have
Alcohol.
snow cones. They have margaritas.
Alcohol.
Stop. They have different vendors like Lyft, like Coca-Cola be out here. Herbert's Lemonade be out here. So they also have like a mini amusement park next door, but they just bring the rides here so the kids can, you know, ride the rides. And they have a lake here, so it's pretty fun, and a lot of people is out here. This is my first time, so.
Oh my god, it's my first time too, girl.
Thank you so much, baby. Give me a kiss.
It's too high.
Alright, whatever. Move. Nope. Update, guys. We finally got our freaking
Finally got our chair.
oh my god. Right now they have an orchestra playing on stage. That's why it's so loud. And I have to talk like this.
Yeah, she gotta put her face in the camera like that.